Hello everyone, welcome to another episode from HoneyLemonGinger. Today's recipe is a delicious Mexican bean salad with avocado dressing. This nutritious warm salad with lean proteins, complex carbs, healthy fats, fiber, and yes, it's yummy. Stay tuned to hear the health benefits. Let's prepare the avocado dressing first. Mint leaves gives a good flavor and helps with digestion. And my favorite cumin seeds, they always help with gas, bloating and digestion. You can use this dressing for many other recipes like pasta, rice, and toppings for tacos. As you enjoy watching these recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Let's prepare the salad. Corn, black bean and chickpeas are complex carbs and they digest slowly and helps with weight loss. Use non-GMO corn in all the recipes. The best part of this recipe is you can tweak the ingredients as you like, especially the veggies. Because of its healthy fats, good complex carbs, and lean proteins, this recipe is a complete meal. It is delicious and will fill you up like a meal. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more for nutritious weekly recipes. Until next time with another great episode from Honey Lemon Ginger.